Gagandeep Kaur. Now I am going to explain my topic for the emerging technology and innovation. I choose the topic of IoT in smart house for this presentation. I will explain the research domain and justification firstly. This study reviews the technology of smart homes that is also based on the IoT of smart houses. Apart from this, it is also very helpful to demonstrate the various complementary functions and users of the smart homes. This is also very helpful to make interaction with others through the power of IoT. Now I'm going to explain the methodologies for the IoT in smart houses. There are three types of methodologies. Firstly, a literature review is conducted. Secondly, a secondary data analysis is done. At the last, it involves a qualitative research. Firstly, I will explain about the literature review. In in the 2017, according to Geniatakis et al., that about 2 billion smart devices have been existing since 2006. For instance, the Intel project by the year 2020 has been expecting to be fetching a hundredfold increases. Apart from this, the IoT has been making a really robust system for smart devices since the platform and technologies has been used by IoT. After that, according to Andriano and Buddhi in the 2018 shows that IDC has estimated that the innovation can give rise to 10% of the overall data within 2020. Furthermore, the wearable technologies has been tracking the behaviors. This includes the average heart rate, time spent to exercise, and amount of time of restful sleep. According to Mono et al. In 2016 mentions that the business are able to under the necessities of the consumers better through tapping into the necessities of energy usage. They have been blending the data for influencing the successful elements and resolve issues. After that, I'm talking about the methodologies of the literature review is that the saving of energy costs. The average of electricity has grown up to 29% in the last 5 years. In the 2016, according to Lin and Bergaman, the smart homes has been shown a reduction of expense much by 20% as the study conducted by University of Massachusetts. The smart thermostats, connected smoke alarms, security lighting systems, and decorates of carbon monoxide has been decreasing the energy consumptions. The main attributes of the IoT in smart houses are smart entertainment, energy management, health and wellness, elderly care, safety, real-time alerts, smart lighting, and remote control and automation system, etc. This is under residential homes. Furthermore, estimating the IoT technology with the green is to be considered. According to Raza Al et in 2000, is that a startup or the Google is self-learning type of thermostats. For instance, it has been generating the cools and heats effectively. After that, according to Davidson and Hogue in 2018 states that the data is always vulnerable to the attack. These smart devices has been often equipped with the effective processor. This is unable for leading the complicated security software. This has been including the privacy and safety of the complicated concerns. These are the main two issues which are very helpful to solve through the IoT in smart houses. After that, I am now explaining about the innovation under the insurance sector. According to Rodriguez et al. In 2018, that it involves the insurance companies to turn into more interesting as analyzed. This can be done through utilizing the capabilities of minimizing the risks. After that, there are lots of advantages of disadvantages of the IoT in smart houses, because every coin has two sides. Now I am going to explain the advantages of IoT in smart house. First of all, convenience, customization, security, ease, and environmentally friendly. Now I am going to explain the disadvantages of IoT in smart house. Firstly, cost. The smart products has been fairly costly. Learning, the, there has been various learning curve for different non-technology savvy individuals, and also reliability. These are the main advantages of disadvantages of the IoT in smart houses. Now I'm going to explain the result and finding of the research. First of all, reliability, interconnectedness, and controllability as notable effect on the acceptance behavior. This has a notable effect on the behavior of acceptance of the smart service. It can be seen as the people commonly fetching relatively secured and efficient remote management. This is instead of the greatly advanced service. And also finding in analysis of group comparison and comparing the influence on. Now I'm going to explain about the conclusion for my presentation. The presentation proves that a future study should be attempting to collect the geographically and ethnically diverse information. Secondly, various hedonic related variables are seen to influencing the elements to adopt various intentions. This must involve the present design. For instance, the software user interface and visual attractiveness of controlling hub must be chosen. After that, I'm going to explain the reflection for my presentation. I have learned so many lessons from ITC 571, and also it is also very helpful to demonstrate the capstone linkage with other subjects. Thank you very much.